Okay, I got the bubblers back on. Here's my new bubbler right there. There's the existing one. That still has water. That one over there's got water. That one's got water. This one's got water. And see, all these other ones got water. You can tell where the water's coming out of them. And I look over here, and these trees have them. It's not dripping very much, but it's dripping. And here's the one for that bush. Now, look at this. Nothing. And my guess is that the end of that is plugged up. The funny thing is, there's bubblers over here. Those aren't on. These aren't on over here because that's another station. So I don't think, I got station 5 on right now. And I think that one's on station 5. I'm going to have to turn station 6 on and see what's going on. And it looks like that's all fixed. That must have had just a cap on it and it blew off. Because see, here's another one with nothing here. There's a plug on the end of it. And I left some of those exposed because I wasn't sure if I was going to plant anything anywhere. And see here I've got one exposed right here. Maybe there was a plant there once upon a time, or they might have had another bubbler going over to that. I could bury that, but anytime I want to bury something, I probably should have a little plan of the backyard so that when I start going through stuff, I can mark where I've got drip exposed, where if I want to plant something, oh, I know there's one over here, there's one over here, there's an extra one right there. The main pipeline is right in here. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff you can do. See, look at this. I should cover this up. See how far up it's sticking? I mean, that's supposed to be down underneath the ground. And it raised up because this bush was here and it pushed it up out of the ground. This should be down maybe 4 or 5 inches down in the ground. It doesn't have to be all the way, but you know, it doesn't have to be like a foot down. And here I've got some stuff right on the surface. That's really not the best thing to do. Have these on the surface exposed, especially in the middle of summer. It'll weaken your pipes. Eventually they could crack. The ends could get loose and start leaking and blow the end off like it did that pipe over there. Now I've got it covered. See, it didn't take me long at all. These are for my lighting, and I should cover those up. I need to get out here and do some stuff, don't I? See, here's another drip. Came out from there, and it's just sitting here. And so that's something you could do if before you put bark down or before you start planting more bushes. Go around and make sure first off that you've got a drip bubbler to every single bush that you have. Make sure that the ends are not plugged up. Okay, so now see, that system went off. That system went off, and the 6th station went on. See, these bubblers are on. And look at that. They got 3 bubblers for this tree. Granted, it's a fairly big tree, and I don't know if those are 1-gallon bubblers or 2-gallon bubblers. Because for a tree like that, maybe you only need 3 gallons. And see, that's working over there. And I look over here, and nope, nothing. So I'm gonna have to take another look at that. I'm gonna have to pull that off. I'm gonna turn 5 back on, and I might just pull that end off while the water's coming off, and then see if I can clean that off, put that one back on if it stopped. And if it doesn't work, I can put a 1-gallon bubbler back on there and be done with it. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more
videos.